Hello students, welcome to this video lecture on engineering curves. I, Anthony Augustine, would be discussing problem of a parabola drawn by rectangle method. Following is the problem statement. We have an artillery gun firing a bombshell on a target at same level 15 kilometers away. The shell achieves a maximum height of 5 kilometers. We have to draw the path traced by the shell and we have to take a suitable scale. We also have to name the curve. By the definition, we know that this curve is a parabola. The horizontal base length is given as 15 kilometers. We provide it a name AB. Similarly, the vertical height of the parabola is 5 kilometers. We give this a name CD. Since the units are in kilometers, we need to convert these units into millimeters so that it can be drawn on a sheet of paper. So we take a reducing scale. We assume AB is equal to 150 mm, representing a length of 15 kilometers. We find the scale factor by dividing the length on drawing to the actual length converted into same units. So 150 divided by 15 kilometers converted into mm gives us a scale factor of 1:10 to the power 5. Now we use this scale factor and multiply with CD in converted into mm. So 5 kilometers are converted into mm by multiplying 1000 two times. So kilometers are converted to meters by multiplying with 1000, and again this meter I have converted into mm by multiply again with 1000. So I get the length CD equal to 50 mm. So now I use this data available for making the actual construction. The construction starts with data interpretation, and we have to write the actual lengths of the base and height of the parabola along with the scale value. We first draw the base, which is 150 mm length, and we also find its center. Now I find the perpendicular bisector of the midpoint of the base and along it measure the height, that is CD height of 50 mm, and then I make a rectangle through the endpoints of the base length as well as the maximum height, which is 50 mm. So I get a rectangle of 150 by 50 mm size. Here AB is 150 mm and CD represents the maximum height. Now I take half of the rectangle and divide each side into 5 equal parts. Since I know that the sides are in multiples of 5, I directly divide the side into 5 equal parts. So for the base I have taken 15 mm divisions, and for the height, which is 50 mm, I take 10 mm divisions. So I get 5 equal divisions on the base as well as on the sides of the small rectangle towards the left. Now I name the points 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the vertical I name 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. Now through the topmost point I join 1 dash. So C I join with a faint line with 1 dash, then with 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash respectively. Now through points 1, 2, 3 and 4 I will be drawing verticals. So through 1 vertical I draw till it intersects 1 dash C line, then through 2 dash 2, I draw a vertical intersecting C2 line. Through 3, I draw a vertical intersecting C3 dash line. And through 4, a vertical intersecting C4 dash line. I name these points P1, P2, P3, P4 respectively. And now I transfer it onto the other side. I am transferring the mirror image of the points found through horizontal lines. I use a compass to measure the distances about its vertical axis at the midpoint and transfer it onto the other side. So this is P4 I have transferred. Now I transfer P3 point, then P2 point about its horizontal and P1 point about its horizontal. So all the points transferred are darkened so that there is clarity of points. Then I use a flexible French curve edge to adjust maximum number of points so that the curve can be drawn. So I draw a free, dark, continuous curve passing through all the points which have obtained. So on both sides, I adjust maximum number of points, minimum 3, but I am getting more number of points. So I'll adjust more and then I draw a continuous curve passing through all the points. So this is the parabola drawn by using rectangle method, and this is the required solution. So the naming should be properly done. Make sure that you name the curves properly. So AB is the height and the point CD is